Oh no. I've had a lot of interest on this Hosim M13 Moxlin 14 scale short course truck. This 14th scale short course truck is a lot of fun. We did an unboxing video and then we went ahead and ran it on road. It reached 39 miles an hour on a stock battery, falling well short of the claimed 50 mile an hour top speed, but it still was a lot of fun. This truck comes with a 2847 sized brushless motor, so plenty of power. These smaller RC cars and trucks really tend to struggle off-road. They don't have the suspension articulation needed to handle rough terrain, and the tires being small also hurt them. But I think out here, this truck will actually shine and do pretty well. And that high 30 mile an hour top speed should be just about right. I was just testing a different truck out here that went almost 60, and it's a little smaller than this still, and he just couldn't use the performance. So I think it'll shine out here. Now, if this truck interests you, I do have an affiliate link. It will not cost you anything more, but it helps out my channel. So if you like this truck and you want to help out my channel, I'd really appreciate it. And there's a link in the video description in the comments for that affiliate link. All right, let me go ahead. We'll get this thing buttoned up and we're gonna do the run here with the included 3S pack that comes with this truck. You can pick one of these up for about $150. So let's see how it performs. Stay tuned. And here we go. This truck does not have the really snappy acceleration you'll find in some other RC trucks. But really off-road, there's just so much power you can put down. So I think this lower power, lower punch ESC will actually help kind of smooth out the power delivery here off-road, which may not be a bad thing. Check out the video on my DRC 8618. I just recorded that right before this. And you know, I just couldn't get the full throttle on that. Whereas this, it's still a challenge, but I can get to full throttle easier. Nice, full throttle right through there. That's high 30, maybe mid 30s off-road speed. And this is completely stock how it comes right out of the box. And the nice thing about this truck is it does come, it does come with a beefy 2600 milliamp hour 3S pack, so it provides very good run times in a small RC truck like this. I still think this truck's more geared towards a beginner or probably like a kid, 10, 12 years old, something like that. Don't get me wrong, it's a lot of fun. And if you watch my on-road video, it did great on-road as well, but it just doesn't have that raw power some of its competitors do. Nice. Oh no! Ooh. Well, that's why there's a rear bumper. Nice! Let me try it in the grass a little bit. All right, it does grass. Better than I would have expected for something this small. It's landing on its wheels most of the time too, which is really nice. It's pretty stable, much more so than a lot of its competitors. Oh no. There it is. Oh no. Nice. You know, this thing is a lot of fun. The more I get used to driving it, the better it is. I actually did pop a second pack in here after I did the conclusion of the video. Couldn't help myself. And this thing is a blast. All right, and we just hit the low voltage shutoff right then. So the Moxlin M13, good run times out of that stock pack. Let's see how hot the motor is. I could touch the motor for 5 or 6 seconds, but it's only about 40 degrees out this morning, so you may really want to invest in a cooling fan. Now, to run a cooling fan, you'd need a splitter, and I'm not sure it'll work or not with the setup. That's the only problem. But the 45 amp ESC, definitely low punch on it, but it's a little slow off the line. But, you know, I didn't really mind that off-road, but if you were a more experienced RC car enthusiast, you might want more punch than what this one delivers. So if you have any questions on this setup, please let me know. We definitely took some pretty hard tumbles out here, and the body held up out here. Although I do worry there's no protection on the sides here and here on the back. So there may be issues down the road, but the skids here on the top are definitely a nice touch. So my affiliate link's there if this interests you. And again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.